Hi friends! It is Tuesday and I've recorded this like 6 times now, so pretty sweet, cool. Now I'm on my roommate's computer and the audio wasn't working correctly, so we figured it out. By figured it out, I mean we just played around until it worked, and now it does, so yeah. But so I know that like some people have cats and some people have other really cool animals, and well, I have a Noah. You say hi. Yeah, not all your guys' animals dance to Justin Bieber. What now? What now? Noah, do you like Justin Bieber? Yeah, me too. Me too. Ah. But yeah, yes, we are listening to Justin Bieber tonight, ladies. Yeah, you're welcome. I know. um, yeah, let's see. What else? What else am I supposed to tell you guys about? My life. Well, it's really, really exciting. um, it's just working at the bank, counting lots of monies, and going to school forever. It feels like. No. Someday I'll be done. Have a degree that I can get a job, another job with. The bank's fine for now. And yeah, church. Hang out with my girls are seniors now. Crazy. And yeah, that's the exciting life I live. Hang out with Noah, and say what's up, how we do. That's a point of view. Yeah. So let's see what else. Is there anything? I feel like I'm forgetting something, but yeah, I think we should have. I don't know. I thought about like recording myself all week, except for that I didn't, and I don't, and I probably won't. So, like, I thought that would be a good idea, though. Just being like, hey, this is what's happened this week, instead of like, hey, I don't know what to talk about every Tuesday. But I don't know. Noah, what are you doing, dude? But yeah, I don't know. Ideas of what we should talk about, if we should have like themes for the week or what. But I guess this week's theme or last week's theme was tell us about your animal. So I vote that Danica wins that one. She's the coolest animal. Okay, after recording this like 6 times, I think I'm slowly losing my mind. So with that, I will leave you guys, and yeah, bye. I don't know why I whisper that. Goodbye.